Hello viewers, with the removal of MV2 extension in Google Chrome, one of the biggest ones affected is the popular ad blocker uBlock Origin. But today I also noticed something important. There is now a pack uBlock Origin available on Chrome Web Store. Since Google removed real uBlock Origin from Chrome and the Web Store due to MV2 removal, someone uploaded a fake version pretending to be the real one. When you search for uBlock in the Chrome Web Store, you will see uBlock Origin Lite, which is from the original developer Raymond Hell. But a bit further down, you will find uBlock Origin, which is fake. It's look almost identical to the real one, but if you check the developer name, it says Big JPG. It was updated on July 24. Some review also clear mention it's a fake extension and want not to be downloaded it. When you try to install it, Chrome even gives a warning says this extension is not trusted by it, hence safe browsing. After installing, it has no proper dashboard like the real uBlock Origin. It just opens a blank screen. I tested it with a few videos before posting this, and while it's blocked some ad, it still let other through. So this extension is not the real uBlock Origin, it's a fake version. As I mentioned before, uBlock Origin Lite still works since it's based on MV3. It might not work as well as the original version, but at least it's safe and from the real developer, so didn't get tricked by the fake one. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.